Hello everyone, welcome back in this playlist. It's been 9 days since I have not posted here, so let's continue applying in this program today. I will add this link in the video description, domainresellerprogram.com, and you can easily find this page. So if we click on domain reseller program, another thing to inform you that we have discussed everything about domain reseller program in the previous video of this playlist. If you missed that, you can watch that and get some knowledge about this website and their pricing. All right, so let's start now. If we click on join domain reseller program, it will redirect us to the sign up form. Here we have to complete this form. So let me pause the video and input my personal details here. Alright, I have fulfilled the mandatory fields here. So in the first field you have to type the company name and then contact person name, and then you have to add address and city, country, state, province, and zip code. And here you have to input the phone number with country code. If you from the USA, you can just input one here, and as I am from Bangladesh, I have typed 88 here. Later you have to add your email address and password. The password must be at least 9 to 16 characters and contain at least one uppercase character, lowercase character, number, and special characters. So when all these are fulfilled, you can see it will become green. And then if you down below here the selling currency, you can set the currency as per your need. I will set it as US dollar. Here is selling currency and accounting currency. So I will both select as US dollar and accept the terms and conditions here and prove that I am not a robot. You must solve this CAPTCHA to apply for this program. It actually protects against fraud signups. And if you do not fulfill these mandatory fields correctly, then you will get errors. So make sure you have input everything properly and correctly with your personal details and business details. And when everything is good, then you can click on submit here. All right, I have gotten an error here, so I will again have to type everything. So let me pause the video. Alright, as you can see, the error here was with telecom number here, and that I only input 88. So I will have to input with 880 the complete country code. And now if I click on submit, okay, you can see reseller sign up is successful. And now we will have to get back to our email address because it will send a verification mail here. Okay, let's wait for the verification mail to come. Alright, I have verified my email address here, and now I can log into the to the panel. As you can see, they are running some promo coupons on XYZ domains, so I will just proceed. And these are some notices that you can avoid or just read. So this is the logic box control panel, and in the later video I will discuss about everything about these functions and what is needed for you to know to continue using this and build up your business. This is all for now. Thank you for watching this video.